whales and dolphins, they are facing a lot of pressure for human activities. So Guido, Parra and I, we lead the Cetacean Ecology, Behaviour and Evolution Lab. You can either call it CEBEL or CEBEL. Guido and I started the lab in 2009. We both arrived here as strategic appointments in marine science to start research on marine mammals.
Cetaceans present a lot of interesting features.
There's increasing evidence from recent studies that top predators such as whales, dolphins, do play a major important function, and when they are removed from their environment, ecosystems tend to collapse. Biodiversity goes down, and we end up with this sort of desert environment where there's not much biodiversity.
Whales and dolphins, they are an important part of the diversity of life that we have in our oceans. They've been around for about 50 million years. Some of these animals, they have very complex social lives, so it's important to understand the evolution of complex social systems in mammals. They also have very unique adaptations to living in the marine environment. These animals, because of their large numbers and their large size, they play a very important role in the marine ecosystems.
Well, look, cetaceans in general, as many other marine top predators, are facing an increasing number of pressures, mainly from human activities. Port development, vessel traffic, underwater noise, pollution, fishing industry.
Noise interference is one of the issues that dolphins and whales face at the moment in the marine environment. It can cause behavioral disturbances. It can move animals away from places.
The main threats to the dolphins here in Whyalla are the human population, unfortunately. We do have a lot of issues with hand feeding. We also have issues with people discarding their fishing waste over the side of the boat. The problem that we have with human-fed dolphins is that research shows that only 37% of human-fed dolphins actually survive to adulthood, whereas wild-fed dolphins, there's a 67% survival rate. Fishing line, which sort of stays in the water for a very long time, can get wrapped around dolphins' peduncles and fins and then slowly cut away at the skin, which results in can be a really slow, painful death.
One of the main threats is the aquaculture, like oyster farms. We have seen 2 calves in just a short period that we were being sampling, wearing ropes on their necks. Those calves are probably going to die because the ropes is like strangulating them.
CEBEL is, I guess, serves as an avenue for a critical mass of researchers and students that share the same interest, which is research on both whales and dolphins. So the purpose of the lab is to provide innovative, impartial, and independent science that both addresses pure and applied questions in regards to whales and dolphins and their interactions with their environment.
Most of the information is focused on informing conservation management of populations of these animals.
Our research has provided input into the development of several management plans for different species here in Australia, from the largest, the blue whale, to some of the smallest, such as the coastal dolphins. So it's research that is making a difference, it's research that is having an impact on how we view, conserve, and manage these animals.
One of the main strategies it is to train high-quality graduates so that we can have more people that will be working with these animals. A lot of populations and species that are currently at risk or vulnerable or in danger of extinction.
I mean, the Yangtze River is one of the most polluted, overfished rivers in the world. So it was a mix, probably, of a lot of these pressures that we've been talking about that unfortunately resulted in one of the, I guess, few cetacean species to actually go extinct because of human pressure.
Whales and dolphins, they are long-lived mammals. They've been around for a long period of time, for more than 50 million years. And they have really amazing adaptations. They can be challenging animals to study, but they are definitely worthwhile. They have a very important function in the marine environment, and they are under a lot of pressure at the moment, so research and people working in this area is quite important. We would like to do the best that we can in terms of make sure that these animals will be around for other generations to enjoy.